How to fix your client will close in 10 seconds error in PUBG Battleground. So if you want to fix your client will close in 10 seconds error in your PUBG Battleground, then what you need to do is the first solution is to delete the game file. To do this, you need to open up the file manager. After opening the file manager, you need to go with your C drive. Then go with program files. Once you're on your program files, you need to go with common files, which is right here. And here you will have your PUBG. So you just need to simply double click on the PUBG or just right click on your PUBG folder and you will have the uninstaller. You can double click on the uninstaller and then click on yes. And once the file in this folder are gone, choose the file manager and open PUBG or click on the PUBG folder. And if it's asked for any permissions, just give the permissions and after that, see the error is gone. Or the second solution is to verify the game data. To verify your game data, you need to open up your Steam first. After opening your Steam, you need to go with library. Under library, here you will have your PUBG Battleground, right? You will have your game. So in my case, I don't have that game. But if you have your game, you need to just click or right click on the game and then go with properties. Once you have your properties, you need to go with install files. And under install files, here you will have verify integrity of the game files button. So from here, you can verify the integrity. You need to just click on it. Now, Steam will verify and repair any corrupt files it finds. After that, the error should be gone. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.